Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0560, indicates an unexpected voltage in the power source circuit to the engine control module, ECM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM, in Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012. The ECM is crucial for managing various engine functions by controlling the fuel-air mixture, ignition timing, and other performance-related aspects. Located within the underhood fuse relay box, the number 19 backup Phi ECU fuse supplies the ECM with constant power. When this voltage deviates from the expected level, it can lead to faulty engine behavior and trigger the P0560 code. It's essential to address this issue promptly, as it may affect vehicle performance and reliability. Remember to record all freeze data and onboard snapshots before beginning any troubleshooting steps. DTC P0560 highlights a critical issue in the power source circuit that affects both the engine control module, ECM, and Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The ECM's primary role is to manage essential engine components and optimize performance and fuel efficiency. It processes inputs from various sensors to execute real-time adjustments. This module is typically housed within the vehicle's underhood fuse relay box. The number 19 backup Phi ECU fuse provides stable power to the ECM, and any irregularities will directly impact the vehicle's functionality. Recognizing and addressing this error is vital for maintaining the proper operation of engine management systems. Several conditions may trigger DTC P0560. A common issue is a faulty number 19 backup Fi ECU fuse, which may blow due to excess current flow or short circuits. An open circuit in the wiring between the ECM, PCM, and the fuse can also prevent the necessary voltage from reaching the ECM, resulting in this error code. Additionally, loose or corroded connections at the fuse or ECM, PCM can lead to sporadic conductivity, causing the signal variations that trigger the DTC. Identifying these causes during troubleshooting is essential for effective repair and maintaining the vehicle's electrical integrity. The symptoms associated with DTC P0560 may vary, but commonly include unexpected engine behavior, leading to performance issues. Drivers may notice inconsistent power delivery, where the engine may stutter or fail to respond promptly during acceleration. The vehicle's onboard diagnostics, OBD-II, system will indicate the presence of this trouble code, illuminating the check engine light on the dashboard. Overall, these symptoms may contribute to a subpar driving experience, not to mention potential safety concerns if the engine suddenly fails. Recognizing these signs can help in timely troubleshooting and repair. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0560 involves turning the ignition switch to the on position, which powers the vehicle's electrical system without starting the engine. After this, it's crucial to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, a specialized tool that helps technicians identify issues. Following this, start the engine and allow it to idle while checking for any pending or confirmed DTCs with the HDS. This process helps to establish a baseline regarding whether the error persists. If the same DTC appears, further action is warranted. If not, it suggests a potential intermittent failure. In the second troubleshooting step, you need to carefully check for the presence of any diagnostic trouble codes after performing the previous steps. Specifically, you should confirm if DTC P0560 is indicated on the HDS. If DTC P0560 is still present, this indicates a persistent issue. requiring further investigation into the ECM or related circuits. Conversely, if no DTC appears, it suggests that the system is functioning correctly at that moment. Although intermittent failures might occur, it's essential to consider factors such as poor connections or loose terminals, especially at the number 19 backup FI-ECU fuse, which could explain the error. In the third troubleshooting step, turn the ignition switch to the lock position to ensure the vehicle's electrical systems are powered down safely. Once safety is confirmed, proceed to check the status of the number 19 backup FI-ECU fuse located within the under-hood fuse relay box. Inspect the fuse visually for any signs of damage or a blown element. Utilizing a multimeter to test the continuity of the fuse is also advisable for accurate results. If the fuse is in good condition, you'll move on to subsequent troubleshooting steps. If the fuse is blown, it's critical to address this before continuing, since it directly influences the ECM's power supply. Step 4 requires you to jump the SCS System Configuration Service line with the HDS, which allows access to specific diagnostic functions. After successfully jumping the SCS line, disconnect the ECM PCM connector A, which is a multi-pin connector that links the ECM PCM to the vehicle's wiring harness. This disconnection is vital to safely measure the voltage at specific terminal points. Following this disconnection, proceed to measure the voltage between ECM PCM connector terminal A23 and a reliable body ground. This measurement is key to determining if the appropriate battery voltage is reaching the ECM. In the fifth troubleshooting step, evaluate the voltage reading obtained from terminal A23 of the ECM PCM connector. This check is essential for ensuring that the ECM is receiving the necessary battery voltage, which should be around 12 volts when the vehicle is in the on position. If the measured voltage indicates that battery power is present, it suggests that the power circuit is working correctly up to this point, and further investigation is needed beyond the fuse. However, if the voltage is absent, it implies an open circuit or disconnection in the wiring between the A23 terminal and the number 19 backup FI-ECU fuse. This will necessitate repairs to the wiring to restore proper electrical functionality. After concluding repairs related to DTC P0560, it is crucial to verify that all connections are properly reassembled. This ensures that no components are left unsecured, which could lead to recurring issues. Following this, clear any remaining diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to reset the vehicle's onboard computer. Finally, conduct a series of test drives to observe the vehicle's performance under normal operating conditions. Monitor for any return of the DTC and ensure that engine behavior aligns with expected parameters. This final check is essential for confirming that the repair has resolved the initial issue and that the vehicle is functioning correctly. Preventive maintenance is integral to avoiding issues like DTC P0560 in the future. It is advisable to regularly inspect the condition of fuses, including the number 19 backup FI-ECU fuse, and replace any that show signs of wear or damage. Additionally, conducting periodic checks of wiring connections, especially in the fuse relay box and around the ECM, can help catch problems before they escalate. Finally, routinely monitoring for any diagnostic trouble codes through the OBD-II system can provide early warnings of underlying issues. By implementing these preventive measures, you can help ensure optimal performance and reliability of your Honda Accord. In conclusion, DTC P0560 indicates an unexpected voltage in the power source circuit, affecting the Engine Control Module, ECM, and Powertrain Control Module, PCM of Honda Accords from 2008 to 2012. Understanding the role of these components is essential for recognizing the potential impact of this error on vehicle performance. The troubleshooting steps outlined, from checking fuses to measuring voltage, are key in diagnosing and resolving the issue effectively. Moreover, committing to preventative maintenance practices can help avoid similar problems in the future. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure your Accord remains in optimal working condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.